Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jackman Road Elementary School in Temperance, Michigan, home of the kicking Mules. Been here multiple times over the last few school years. Today, though, we focused on perseverance and having a growth mindset, right? In the assemblies for young 5th through 5th grade, two separate programs, students and staff. We're right here in the multi-purpose room of the gym. But the focus, was really talking about not giving up, always trying our best, not always having to be the best, but just do our best to just keep giving the effort, right? And a lot of the students really took this to heart. There were some funny moments, there were some pin drop moments, there were some heart moments. And through the different inspirational videos that I played, the keep your head up rap at the end, always remembering to think positive no matter what, just like the shirt that I wear for this particular program, words upside down on purpose, right? From reminder to keep our head up. Some of the visual aid, the props, the picture slides, all of that together really reinforced, this key concept of us just keep pushing, persisting until success happens. And knowing that if we make a mistake, that we're not a mistake. If we fail, we're not a failure. But the sub-theme was all about having a growth mindset. And so that kind of flowed into that focus as well. And I love right outside the gym here too, that we have this bulletin board and it says, grow your mind. It says, change your words, change your mindset, right? And the person that we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. And of course, we want to be saying something positive because whatever you tell your brain or heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to say something negative. We want to say something positive, right? And this really ties into a fixed mindset versus a growth mindset, right? We don't want to have a fixed mindset. This is someone that says, I'm just going to give up. This is too hard. I can't do it, or maybe this is good enough. I don't have to do my best. I made a mistake and I don't want any advice, any help, right? This person just doesn't really want to improve. But someone with a growth mentality, they want to keep improving every day, right? And this person, they're going to say, it just might take some more practice, right? But then it's going to get easier, right? It might take some extra work. That's okay. If I can't figure it out this time, I'm going to try a different way or try a second time. And maybe I'm still learning. I can always improve and make it better, right? And so really, when we think about this as well, it's so easy to give up, right? But sometimes if you just give it one more shot, one more chance, one more opportunity, you might have success, right? Sometimes you give up right before a miracle is about to happen. And the miracle that we always bring up in every assembly of mine ties into the concept that all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here, and this M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this and buy into this, right, now it's up to us to go and be that light to someone else's heart, right? And so we're talking about changing our words. It's not just how we talk to ourselves, it's how we talk to and treat others as well, right? That we also encourage them the right way, lift them up the right way, and help out when we're able to. That's what leaders do. And so for me, this topic, a brand new one on perseverance, was such a vital one and a huge one because I think everybody, not just our young people, but people in general, they need to be reminded that we have that power to really just keep going, right? And if we can do that, we're gonna go far. I'll be back one more time this school year, but thank you again for touching my heart. Hope something touched your heart. If it did, keep putting some of those life lessons that we spoke about today into practice. And then when I return, we can continue on in my series about another very important topic, which will be compassion for this school year. As always though, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.